Hi Penguins, Miss Maggie here again, and this week I chose two books. These are classic nursery rhymes that the authors added to the stories. The first one is the Itsy Bitsy Spider, and it's by Trapani. I'm not sure if I pronounced the author's name right. The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the water spout. You see her right down here. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. There she is coming down with the rain. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the spout again. The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the kitchen wall. So here she is on the spout. She was hanging. And then here she is on the kitchen wall. Swoosh went the fan and made the spider fall. Find her? Right down here. Off went the fan, no longer did it blow, so the Itsy Bitsy Spider back up the wall did go. Right there. The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the yellow pail. In came a mouse and flicked her with his tail. She flew across the room. Down fell the spider, the mouse ran out the door, then the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the pail once more. The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the rocking chair. Right over here. Up jumped a cat and knocked her in the air. Right down here by my hand. Down plopped the cat, and when he was asleep, the Itsy Bitsy Spider back up the chair did creep. Really close to that cat. The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the maple tree, and she's right here, the branches. She slipped on some dew and landed next to me. And look at her cute socks, red polka dots. Out came the sun, and when the tree was dry, the Itsy Bitsy Spider gave it one more try. The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up without a stop. She's right up here, and all her friends are watching her. She spun a silky web right at the very top. She wove and she spun, and when her web was done, the Itsy Bitsy Spider rested in the sun. Such pretty colors. Okay. The next one is It's Raining, It's Pouring. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. And look, their house is filled with water. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. So his wife is flying out the front door and he's already out there on his bed. It's cloudy, it's breezy. The old man is sneezy. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course that wasn't easy. Look, his truck and a cow are flying through the air. It's snowing, it's blowing. The old man is growing. Wonder why he's growing. He ate so much. One day for lunch, every part of him was showing. His belly is peeking out. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. I love honey too. He tried to sneeze a batch from the bees and they didn't find it funny. Look at them all flying after him. It's cold, damp, and windy, or chilly. The old man's name is Willie. See how it rhymes, chilly and Willie? He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly. Look, his cat's watching him fall down. It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. They're having a picnic. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy, which is a type of dance. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezin'. If he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. All right, penguins, have a great week. Miss you, miss you. Love you. Bye.